Today I am going to show you how to make washer in AutoCAD. So let's begin. At first, select circle and draw a circle. Select circle and draw a circle of radius 8 mm. This is our circle of radius 8 mm. Now select circle again and draw another circle, and this would be 20 mm. Okay. Now we are in 2D. So for making the washer, we need to go to 3D. So click here and go to 3D modeling. Okay, go home, and here we can see that our view is unshaped. So go to SW isometric. Now from here click press pull. Now click here and put 2, select 2 mm, enter. Now from here it is 2D wireframe, go to realistic. Now from here select solid, here is fillet, select fillet. Now here we can see there is option radius, click on radius. Now put the radius 1 mm. Now select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, enter. Now we can see that okay, enter again. Now I don't need this circle, so delete this one. Also delete this circle. Okay, so this is our washer. So friends, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask there in the comment box. Thank you.